So who's the boss?
He's a big guy. I'm just the assistant.
You're the assistant?
Right.
How old was I when he started?
The day you were born.
Okay.
Honestly, the day he was born.
So I'm going to be 49. So 49 years ago.
Wow. Well, you know what I think is, if the owner is working on the job, it's a big difference. If you have a subcontractor, they don't care about the owner. They don't care about the work. They just want to make as much money as possible. For us, it's different. We want to keep the company alive. We'll make the people happy.
So I started with my dad after college. So I graduated Sacred Heart University in 1997, and that's when I became partners with my dad. Instead of going to work for somebody else or
Be a banker.
well, sometimes, yeah, being a banker would have been a great idea, but you know what? After 25 years of doing this with my dad full time, it's been good. My dad's on the job with my guys all day long, where I'm out giving estimates. It's every day that
Well,
we
it's
see
a
each
family
other,
business.
and every day that
It's
I
a
think
family business. I
we're
think
trying to
that's
do
what
the best we
makes it.
could.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
That's awesome.
that's it. We're done.
You guys were perfect.
Before it starts raining.
All right.